Hello everyone and welcome back to our videos. In the last video we talked about the reasons of engine removal. Today I will talk about the engine mounts. As we know, engine mounts is the area where the engine will install on the aircraft structure. The engine mounts have a specific inspections. Before a new or overhaul engine installed on an aircraft, the inspection of the engine mount structure must be accomplished. The engine mount in turboprop engine should be checked for bends, dent, flat spots, or for illuminated bolt hole. We can use dye penetrant inspection if you remember it that we studied on the general on the NDT. The dye penetrants used to reveal crack, porous area, the engine mounting bolt checked by a magnetic particle inspection. Also we studied that in the NDT. In the general book, the strength and integrity of turbine engine mount is vitally important. We have two categories of engine mounts on the aircraft. On many jet aircraft have engine mounted on short thrust struts extending from the side of the aft fuselage of the aircraft. The thrust struts, here we have the thrust struts. This thrust strut will support the rear mounting bracket and the front mount bracket with the attachment point for an engine. You can find these engines with the aircraft that used engines that supported on the aft. The second one we will find it on the large aircraft, and this type you will find it with the pylon attached to the wing. The large transport category aircraft with engine mounted on wing pylons are equipped with mounting fixtures. These mounting fixtures it will be from the engine, from the wing and the pylon, and will support the front mounting bracket and the rear mounting bracket. Removal of accessories. If the removal of gas turbine engine not a part of quick engine change assembly, the accessories must be removed from the engine. If the accessories are to be sent to overhaul or storage, preserve them to prevent corrosion. Also, the accessories drive should be covered. If not, internal damage occurs. Engine overhaul. Most turbine engines are maintained and overhauled according to its own condition life limits. The life limit is differ from section to another. Replacement of models is considered to be a minor repair requiring no FAA Form 337. The Form 337 is required for the overhaul of an engine model since it considered a major repair. The life limit or time between overhaul is seldom established for the engine. The on-condition replaced the time between overhaul of overhauling the engine after a specific number of operation hours. Modular construction, it creates an engine as a set of separate modular assembled together. The inspection, line maintenance, and overhaul requirements of each model can be addressed separately. The modular reduced downtime and expense for operator because maintenance and overhaul activities are spread over long overhaul procedures. Number 1, disassembly. 2, cleaning. 3, visual inspection. 4, repair. 5, balancing. 6, reassembly. And the last one, engine testing. Today we will talk about disassembly, cleaning and visual inspection. Gas turbine engine can overhaul by manufacturer or by approved facility. One reason for this, there are several specialized tools required during the disassembly, inspection and reassembly of turbine engine. The first one, disassembly. The turbine engine are disassembly either vertically or horizontally. Number 2, cleaning. After disassembly, the engine component is cleaned, any defect easily detected. All engine parts are cleaned by using approved cleaning method and agent to prevent damage. The cleaning methods used: washing with organic solvent, vapor disgreasing, steam cleaning, and the last one, tumbling in great solution. The effective method: cleaning for hot section, acid and alkali, baths and water rinses. A great blasting used on both hot and cold section. When we clean the bearings, we have special handling during cleaning processes of the bearing. Number 1, cleaned in environment controlled room. Number 2, turbine bearing should never be left unprotected. Number 3, lint-free cotton or synthetic rubber gloves should be used. Number 4, each bearing must be cleaned in separate container filled with fresh cleaning solvent. And the last one, shop air should never be used to blow a bearing dry. It's better to use lint-free or let the bearing air dry. Once dry, immediately lubricant or lubricate. After we finished the cleaning and disassembly, we have number 3, visual inspection. After the engine component cleaned, typically inspection using inspection light, magnifying glass, and there are many terms used to describe the types of defect during inspection. And the types of defect are: number 1, blending, number 2, blistering, number 3, bow, number 4, pledge, number 5, compression, number 6, creep, number 7, flowing, number 8, glazing, number 9, growth, number 10, guttering, number 11, profile, number 12, shear, number 13, tension. If you didn't know the meaning of some of these, you can read the definition or the description of them.